So what are we doing? What are we doing?
We're going on a helicopter, bruh.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How are you feeling about it?
I feel like we're gonna be late. Welcome back to the AA Adventure Squad. Today, what are we doing, Andrew? Let them know.
We are going on a helicopter tour and we might possibly die, but that's okay.
My hair looks really bad. Why would you say that? We're going on a helicopter ride! Woo!
For how long?
15 minutes.
The best 15 minutes of our lives.
Best 15 minutes of our lives.
We're gonna go along the coast of Clearwater Beach.
We fly high, no lie. You know this. Bowling! Okay, yeah. Do you think it's gonna record the sound since I have the aux? But first, we're going to Dunkin's because we run on Dunkin'.
The squad runs on Dunkin'.
Let's ride!
And also, my windows broken, so we got this little thing. We're on our way.
Let's go! Let's go. We have arrived.
We're like 5-10 minutes late. That's okay because they're not even ready. So
It's okay, yeah, they're setting up. This is cool. This is cool stuff. That's awesome.
Pretty easy. This is a little air vent right here. Your seat belts, okay? We can do 2 in the back, or 1 in the front, 1 in the back.
Oh yeah, this is sweet. We're in there like swimwear.
All right, here we go. Checklist out. I'm gonna move my flight controls, make sure they're all working. Beautiful. Start up nicely. No one was out there, so yeah, very very quiet. You know.
Welcome back, everybody. So we have landed safely on the ground.
And it was amazing.
It was amazing.
Additional insight. Basically, it was so smooth. Like I had no idea what it felt like to be on a helicopter, and I thought it was gonna be weird. Like, you know that weird feeling in your stomach when it's like Oh shit, this is like, oof.
Shout out to Josh keeping us alive.
Yes, most definitely.
The water was amazing. It looked
It was
like...
unreal. The water was unreal.
Yeah,
it didn't look like Tampa Bay. Like, it was like Jamaica.
Yeah, it was definitely some stock footage looking stuff. Definitely recommend Tampa Bay Aviation.
Go fly today.
go fly today.
Tampa Bay AA Squad.
Use our code AA Squad. We did the Clearwater Beach tour. If you look at their website, it's a 15-minute tour, but honestly, the whole process felt a lot longer.
15 minutes sounds short,
It
but
does.
like when you're up there, it's just like, oh my god.
It was a process.
Did you do it again?
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, definitely. All right, thanks for watching.
Signing out.
Signing out.